In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-archive emails in Outlook. This is a helpful way to keep your inbox organized without having to manually sift through endless messages. So let's dive right in and set up this useful feature together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook webpage. Once you're there, you should see the familiar sign-in button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your login details on the sign-in page. Make sure to type in your email address and password accurately. After you've done that, click Next, and you'll be directed straight to your Outlook dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the settings icon, usually represented by a small gear. Clicking on this icon will take you deeper into the configuration options available within Outlook. From here, you'll want to select Mail. This will expose several more options for personalization. Under the Mail settings, look for the section labeled Rules. This is where you can instruct Outlook to perform certain actions automatically, like archiving emails. Click on Add New Rule to begin the process of setting up your auto archive rule. Next, you'll need to name your new rule. A straightforward name like auto archive is clear and self-explanatory. This will help you easily identify the rule later if you ever need to edit or review it. Once you've named your rule, it's time to add a condition. The condition dictates when the rule should activate. You have some flexibility here, so feel free to get creative. For today's setup, let's keep it simple by selecting From as the condition. This means the rule will activate based on the sender of the email. Select an email from which you're considering archiving messages regularly to test this out. With your condition set, the next step is to define the action that should take place when the condition is met. In this case, you'll want to move the email to your archive. So add an action, choose Move To, and then select Archive from the options available. This tells Outlook to automatically archive emails that meet the specified condition, keeping your inbox decluttered and streamlined. To see your new rule in action, you can run the rule immediately by clicking Run Rule Now. This will test it with your existing emails to ensure everything is working as intended. Finally, don't forget to hit Save. This will activate the rule, so it begins automatically archiving emails based on the settings you've just established. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an auto archive function in Outlook, which will help you maintain a tidier email environment going forward. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're able to enjoy a more organized inbox through this feature. Make sure to stay tuned for more tips like this in the future.